Right, so this is a great craft to get your kids learning animal vocabulary, learning action vocabulary, reading, speaking, listening, writing even, and it's fun and it's a song. Now, if you want to know what the song is, just keep to the end and I'll sing a few lines for you. So it's a flip book and there's loads of different templates, so I'm going to show you what those are in a minute. And yeah, it comes with ideas for things you can do before the class, so you've basically got a whole lesson. So you've got some different games and things that you can play, and then there's the making of the craft itself, and depending on which templates you choose and the procedures, you can get lots of practice in. You can see there's some different procedures here, so this is, different options. These are like cut and paste pictures, but there's also ones with the pictures already on them for actions and animals, and basically they flip the pages and they get different combinations. So I'll show you the templates and then I'll give you some ideas for what you can do after. I guess you want to know the song. So you saw in the templates, we've actually got the words for one verse there on the back. So basically you can get any combination that you want and you can sing that. So here we go, we've got an elephant and a bounce. So it would go like this. Have you ever seen an elephant, an elephant, an elephant? Have you ever seen an elephant bounce this way and that, bounce this way and that way and this way and that way? Have you ever seen an elephant bounce this way and that? Not a great singer, sorry about that, but yeah, obviously you can get the kids to act this out. Imagine being an elephant and bouncing. Or what else? A rhino poking, my goodness. Or a tiger biting. Okay, so you can see that we've got some mixture of different actions here. That's not all of them actually. We've got dancing, swimming, but there's also inappropriate actions. So you can also enter into that discussion about behaviour. So in terms of doing the song, you can just do it like that, act it out with the class, sing it, give the kids different times with their own books. They can choose a different combination and then you do that one. You could do it as a mingle, so when they stop, then they turn to the person nearest to them, open a page and ask a question. So you could practice the present perfect question. So, have you ever seen a tiger? Yes, I have. No, I haven't. Then choose another combination and act that out. So I think it's a great way to learn a whole lot of things, and it's easy to extend. I mean, you can get them to practice their spelling, writing the animals, writing the actions, or even inventing their own. So yeah, I hope you like that. And if you want to get your copy of all those templates, they're available on kidsclubenglish.com. Okay, well, thank you for watching. Bye.